for more than a century. Motorcycles have represented something deeper than transportation. They became symbols of adventure, independence, and danger. From war zones to racetracks, from small workshops to million-dollar superbikes, motorcycles changed human culture forever. But every revolution begins with a single idea. What if a bicycle had an engine?
In the 1800s, the world was transforming rapidly. Steam engines powered factories. Railroads connected nations. Inventors everywhere were obsessed with one goal: faster transportation. At the same time, bicycles became incredibly popular in Europe. Cheap, lightweight, efficient. But inventors wanted more. They wanted speed without human effort. Early experiments used steam engines attached to bicycles. The machines were heavy, unstable, and dangerous. But the dream had already begun.